When we started talking about the fish basket, I was like, I can't believe it's actually happening. The mating fish basket. It's a story as old as time. I think it was like definitely the first year that we were open. Friendly Jake was like, yeah, you know, I have this thing called mating, we have pans. And I think just in passing, he was like, if you ever need anything, just let me know. And initially, the first thing I thought about was a fish basket. The general consensus of all the fish baskets that I've used is that it's very cheaply made and they're not meant for restaurants or used at your place for more than 5 times. So when I asked him that, I thought it was a pretty simple thing, you know? The friendship kept growing, so did the joke. Nancy's like, I want to be able to bake better things in this lab, and then Nathan comes out the next day with this lab. You know, when your friend goes out fishing with Tom Colicchio, and then Tom Colicchio the next day gets a fish knife, you know, that must be nice. So that's like kind of where the joke started, you know? And it always kind of brought me back to like, this lab is not a fish basket, a fish knife is close, but it's not a fish basket. It was just funny to bring up that whatever they made was not a fish basket. What was also very exciting too was I realized that, wow, I have the opportunity to make a product that is not out there, that can satisfy a lot of people's needs to grill fish at home and also grill fish at a restaurant at high volume and do it from a company that represents what we do. It is not just about me, it's about the fish basket we all deserve. I'm just the one that's leading the conversation.